What's going on, family? Your welding coach checking in, and I just wanted to give you a small update. My welding class has ended for the first quarter of the year, and everybody did pretty well, family. They did pretty well, and before the class was over, we actually did a small fabrication. We actually built a plasma torch table stand to start cutting material when we're fabricating. These few tables was all the big ones was made when I came here, so we just wanted to add to the table that's already existing, and we just made a torch table to do the cutting on. And I made it where we can still clean everything up, and all the trash won't be hitting the floor, but it'll be inside of the pan, and we can sweep it out from this end, and it's closed on this end, and we can lay our pieces up here and cut them properly. But I think it was a good practice for the students to just see how to fabricate and actually being able to weld this. And it was kind of comical a little bit because they had to get uncomfortable in uncomfortable situations. Like, man, how am I supposed to do this? I'm like, you just got to do it. And so I just let them know that in the field, you're gonna always be uncomfortable. You always gonna reach a situation where you're gonna have to just figure it out. So giving them the opportunity to do some fabrication before they graduated, I think is going to live with them the whole duration of their career, because it's going to give them something to remember that after you learn something, family, you have to apply what you learn. Knowledge without application is vain. Knowledge can't turn into wisdom until you apply it. So once you partake of a class, start applying yourself to learn more and more, and start putting to work the things you have learned, so that way you can gain more wisdom. All on.